Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Apple is offering the standard AirPods with charging case free with purchase, but customers can choose to upgrade to the AirPods with wireless charging case or the AirPods Pro. To celebrate Diwali, take home AirPods on us with your new iPhone 11.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
More iPhone 11 accessories to consider. iPhone 11 leather case. Walmart, $30. OtterSpot wireless charging system. OtterBox, $130. Apple AirPods. Apple, $159 plus. Apple Watch Series 5. Apple, $399 plus. SanDisk iX band-based 64GB iPhone charger and backup. Best Buy, $100. Snap-on wallet case for iPhone 11, Sena cases, $50.
Take our lead.
Apple Online Store will give you AirPods for free with iPhone 11. The iPhone 11 will sell at its MRP on Apple Store, but Amazon sells it for less. The overall package on Amazon might be better than Apple's.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Apple, meanwhile, is also doing engraving on AirPods case for free. So, if you wish to buy iPhone 11, you can opt to buy from Amazon. Amazon is selling the iPhone 11, 64GB, at 47,999 rupees. Buyers can also use HDFC Bank cards to get an additional discount of 1,750 rupees.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.